God, I'm so excited. My package finally came. I ordered the world's blackest paint by Stuart Semple, and I'm excited to try it out. So let's get to unboxing. I purchased my bottle from Culture Hustle, which is Stuart Semple's site. We're going to try out the two different blacks. So I have a canvas here. We're going to be comparing our liquid acrylic by Master Touch. It's just permanent black. We're gonna see how it matches up to Stuart Semple's Black 3.0. Test out the canvas and just go from there. First things first, we have our plain permanent black acrylic by Master's Touch. Here it is, just a dab, because we're actually gonna just do a streak. And yeah, just wet my brush a little bit. I put my gesso on there to seal the canvas. Self-proclaimed blackest black. And then we're also gonna test it out on a few objects. Why not? Because apparently it's supposed to give a 2D effect because it's that black. It absorbs, I believe, 99% of light and color. So let's see if we can see some cool stuff today. It was like $22, so I definitely don't want to waste it. I got other things to paint, so just put a little. Actually, I'm curious to see how it will compare or how it will look on this brush. And these are old brushes, guys. So interested to see what it looks like against this little brush. And if you see, definitely does stand out. I was trying so hard to stretch that little dab of paint. I'm not cheap. Yes, I am. The bottle is expensive though, 22 bucks. Can't tell. That's crazy. Can't really tell. Good thing we're gonna try it out on some objects. Let's go and try the objects out. It's time to see how these match up. I'm gonna actually do a comparison with these ornaments just to see, because the canvas wasn't a good indicator. So after reading up on how to use this paint properly, I realized that it was a little bit too cold outside. Room temperature is the best way to apply this paint to see its full effect. So all the other objects, we'll just paint them with the Black 3.0 just for fun, to see if the 2D effect happens or what happens. So I'm gonna paint each of the ornaments with the different black. The first one you saw me paint there was with the Black 3.0, and then the one further back on the left, that's gonna be painted with the Master's Touch liquid acrylic. So as I'm painting, I'm noticing that you do have to put a few layers on there for it to show up. I did about 3 layers all in all, but you definitely want to layer up when you're using this paint. Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you there. So I have completed my trial of this Black 3.0. And I'm gonna wrap it up for you, let you know what my final thoughts are about the blackest black paint in the world. So initially I tried it out on a canvas, on a blank white canvas, and I compared it to Master's Touch permanent black acrylic paint. Initially I couldn't see a difference, and I wanted to do like a follow-up video because I was thinking maybe it needed some time, but even after some time, couldn't really see a great enough difference that was worth showing. But I will say that those little items that I painted definitely allowed me to see what the big fuss is about. They look amazing. I love that they have a matte finish, and you can definitely see that it's kind of giving you a 2D effect. So I like it. I give it 2 thumbs up. I would definitely try using it on artwork and even furniture, possibly. If it wasn't so expensive, maybe. I don't know if I can stretch it that long. But I definitely do like this black. So 2 thumbs up. Make sure that you like and subscribe, drop a comment below, and check out my projects on Instagram at Sony Decor, and also check out my Etsy shop. I'm gonna link that in the video below. And yeah, just let me know what your thoughts are. If you've ever tried this paint and maybe you didn't have a favorable outcome, just let me know what you think. Or if you have any great suggestions for me of what I can paint. See you guys next time.